Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to share others TikTok video on my TikTok account. So let's head over to our TikTok application. Once you're there, just head over to any video. Suppose this is a video of Samsung Aware and I just want to reshare it on my account. So what I will do is tap on the reshare button or the share or the arrow icon just in the bottom of the save icon. Tap on it, and here you'll see the option of repost just beside the copy link. Tap on repost, and you can see the option of you reposted. So if you go to your profile, and you see that you have reposted this post again. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.